Alright, I got the bonus on Lightning Nudge. I'm on Global Poker, doing my challenges. Let's get going here.
Choose your free spins.
Always full middle, 10 free spins times 3. It's not looking good. This is MJ at MJ's Luck and Treasures. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thanks to all my subscribers. I'm gaining more subscribers day by day. $5. Let's see what I have left on this. $7 more. I got the bonus again.
Congratulations! Free spins won't choose your free spins. All wins times 3.
Let's get some sevens. Last spin. $5 again. Three more spins. $10 for 9SC coins. And I'm at 1135. One more spin for the road. Give it one more. There we go. Oh, that's only 5? Alright, that's it for today. Like, subscribe, and share, and we will see you tomorrow.